Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Who are you? Who is your God? Who is your prophet? What is your religion? Which is your holy book? Which is your direction? What is your patron? Who is your enemy? Do you love Allah?
Yes, we do.
Do you love the last messenger?
Yes, we do.
Do you follow devil?
No.
Sahaba are our leaders.
Sahaba are our leaders.
We love Allah and Muhammadur Rasulullah.
We love Allah and Muhammad Rasulullah.
We love everyone.
We love everyone.
We respect everyone.
We respect everyone.
But after Muhammadur Rasulullah,
But after Muhammad Rasulullah,
don't disturb me.
don't disturb me.
Don't tease me.
Don't tease me.
You are doing a good job.
You are doing a good job.
Keep doing it.
Keep doing it.
Keep sleeping.
Keep sleeping.
The second mouse gets cheese.
The second mouse gets the cheese.
Wake up, it is prayer time.
We got it clear.
Sir has come.
Sir has come.
Sir is coming.
Sir is coming.
Sir is about to come.
Sir is about to come.
It's so it you.
It's so you.
You are looking great today.
You are looking great today.
You made my day.
You made my day.
You won my heart.
You won my heart.